So in this video I'm going to show you how to set mt4 to send you signals to your email direct. So if you are using my indicator or forex trading system, it has a function that it can send you signals via your email. Like for example, if this signal is generated, this red box, it's going to tell you that there's a sell signal, so that you can be able to go and look at the charts. So this is very useful if you are someone who is working full-time and you don't have time to be looking at the charts. So first you need to, it comes with a manual. So if you check the manual, how to install, how to set up the trading system to send you the email alerts. So first you need to go to tools, you click on options, you click on email, you click enable. All right, so let's just check that. We go to tools, and this is options. We go to email right here, and then we say enable. All right, so once you have click on enable, you see that it's going to ask for the smtp dot kanban.com dot whatever, right? So that, the good thing of having this this PDF, it will tell you exactly what you need to put here. All right, so what you need to do, these are the steps showing with the pictures. This is tools, options, and then you go to email, and then you click on enable, right? So this is, after you click on enable, you are going to need to put if you are using Gmail, I've only tested with the Gmail, I don't know with the other like Yahoo and all the others, but I'm still to test, but I think the process is just the same anyways. So here you're just going to say smtp.gmail.com. all right, so let's just quickly go here. Sorry, this is the wrong one. So this is mtp.gmail.com. all right, so let's check if that's the correct thing to do. Yeah, that's the correct. Now you need to put the email address. So here you need to put the smtp login, that's the email address that you are using yourself. All right, so for me, I'm not saying you should use my email address, but it's going to give signals to my email address instead of yours. All right, so if you go here, you are going to need to put your email address. You shouldn't put mine, all right, or anyone else's, because still you can't use mine, because you need my password as well. So here I can just give an example. I can use forex teacher 40@gmail.com. You need to put your own email address here, don't use my address. All right, so here you need to put the password for your email address. All right, that's the smtp login, and then the password is the same password that you use on your Gmail account. If you are using this Gmail or Yahoo or whatever email that you put here, you put the password down here. So here I will need to check from and to. You go back to the PDF, you use the same email address. All right, for me, I'm going to just use the same email address, your same email address. All right, so we go back here. We are going to put forex teacher, the same email address that I put above is the same I'm going to put here at gmail.com. all right, that's the same one I also need for here. All right, so since I'm lazy to type here, I just have to copy and paste. All right, and then after that, let's go back to the, you see that here you need to allow the automated trading, right, and then also allow the DLL inputs. So we do that by going to expert advisors. which is here. We allow auto trading, allow all this. All right, and then automated trading. Okay, all right, it's all the same. And then you click OK. I think we are set to go. So first you just need to go to tools, options, email. You enable your email, you do whatever you need to do. Let's just quickly see if we can test this. Message was successfully queued. Look at the journal for more information. All right, so let me just see if the email was sent. So after setting up the email, I'm sure you can be able to receive the email by now. So if any signal is generated, like when the green box form, it's going to tell you that the signal has been generated. And then also at the same time, if the market moves in your favor, when it develop another box, it's going to send you an email again.